Today, we're exploring how to make healthy, stomach-filling food that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Let's dive into some key strategies and recipes for creating meals that are nutritious, delicious, and satisfying. Number 1. Prioritize protein. Start by incorporating protein-rich foods into your meals. Protein helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, tempeh, legumes, and dairy products. Number 2, include fiber-rich foods. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, which helps to fill up your stomach and promote feelings of fullness. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet to increase your fiber intake. These foods are not only high in fiber, but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Number 3, choose complex carbohydrates. Opt for complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates to provide sustained energy and promote satiety. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread, pasta, and cereals, which are rich in fiber and nutrients. These complex carbs digest more slowly, helping to keep you feeling full for longer. Number 4, add healthy fats. Don't skimp on healthy fats, as they play a crucial role in satiety and nutrient absorption. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon and trout in your meals. These fats contribute to feelings of fullness and satisfaction while providing essential fatty acids that support overall health. Number 5, incorporate volume foods. Volume foods are low in calories but high in water content and fiber, which makes them filling without adding excess calories. Examples of volume foods include leafy greens, cucumbers, celery, tomatoes, berries, and broth-based soups. Adding these foods to your meals can help increase the volume of your meal without significantly increasing its calorie content. Number 6, practice portion control. While it's essential to choose nutrient-dense foods, portion control is also key to preventing overeating. Be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating slowly, chewing your food thoroughly, and stopping when you're satisfied can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. Number 7, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential for overall health and can also help control hunger and promote feelings of fullness. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and consider hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables, which contribute to your overall fluid intake. Number 8, plan balanced meals. Finally, aim to plan balanced meals that include a combination of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods. This ensures that you're getting a variety of nutrients and staying satisfied throughout the day. Experiment with different recipes and meal combinations to find what works best for you and your taste preferences. Making healthy, stomach-filling food involves prioritizing protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, volume foods, portion control, hydration, and balanced meals. By incorporating these strategies into your diet and meal planning, you can create meals that not only nourish your body, but also keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day.